So amid the escalating tensions in Afghanistan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security, where the Prime Minister has stressed on the fact that the first priority is for India to evacuate all Indian citizens who are stranded in the war-torn nation. Quickly going across now to Piyush, because Piyush, we are looking at how the embassy officials were the first ones to be evacuated from the Kabul embassy there. Now we are looking at the focus as to many of those Indians who are still said to be stranded, especially when it comes to the minority community who has been stranded in all of Kabul and Afghanistan.
Well, absolutely, Amita. And today, another meet of a CCS took place. Remember that similar meeting took place yesterday also, where all the officials, including the members of Cabinet Committee on Security, were present. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and also Foreign Secretary Harsh Singla. They are the one who were present there. NSA Ajit Doval was also present there in yesterday's meet. What we're also picking is that all the evacuations, Prime Minister during that briefing made it very clear that that all the evacuations should take place of the stranded Indians there. In fact, we have also seen as to how to ease this process. E-visas were also were made available by Ministry of Home Affairs, and today another meeting of Cabinet Committee on Security took place. What we are now given to understand is that the Prime Minister has made it very clear that not only the country should protect its citizens, but also these stuck minorities, including Hindus and Sikhs, those want to come to India, they should also be allowed to come. So that's what the line on which the meeting took place. The meeting has now come to an end. The cabinet meeting is now going on, where the cabinet ministers are present there at Prime Minister's residence. But these meetings are very much important one, because Prime Minister was yesterday briefed by Rubendra Tandon, also ambassador to Afghanistan, who was also evacuated along with other embassy officials. He also briefed Prime Minister about the current situation there in Afghanistan. So looking at the entire thing, Prime Minister chaired that important meeting yesterday, and today also he has chaired the same meeting in which all the concerned officials, including union ministers, were present. Nirmala Sitharaman, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Ajit Doval, they are the one who also took part in today's meet also. Now we'll have to wait as to how the government is going to have its plan ahead as far as evacuating the stranded Indians there. In fact, Prime Minister is of the view that not only Indians but also Afghan brothers and sisters who want to come to India and belong to minority community, be it from Hindus or Sikhs, they should also be evacuated as soon as possible. Yesterday itself we saw as to how almost all embassy officials from Afghanistan were evacuated, and they were brought to India. The Indian Air Force C-17 was also landed at Hindan Air Base, and after which we also saw as to how these officials told us their story, what actually happened and what all steps were followed. So today's meet was also very important, where the focus was basically on Taliban, and after that, Amita, as we are speaking, cabinet meeting is going on. What we can expect is that a cabinet briefing is also set to take place around 2:30 or 3, and then we will be able to know about the decisions those have been taken in this cabinet meet. But CCS meet, which took place just before cabinet meet, was very important, and it was basically focused on the developments that are taking place in Afghanistan, and also how further evacuation programs should be conducted.